What's up? In this video I'm going to discuss about rule number 3 of COLREG's general definitions. So a vessel includes every description of watercraft, including non-displacement craft, wake craft and seaplane. So including, we have 3: non-displacement craft, wake craft and seaplane, used or capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. So here keywords are watercraft, non-displacement craft, wake craft, seaplanes, and capable of being used as a means of transportation on water. Then we have power-driven vessel. So these are vessels which are propelled by machinery. Then we have sailing vessel. Sailing vessel, any vessel under sail, provided that propelling machinery, if fitted, not being used. Then we have fishing vessel. So vessel engaged in fishing means any vessel fishing with nets, lines, trawls, nets, line, trawls, or other fishing apparatus which restricts maneuverability, but does not include vessel fishing with trawling lines or other fishing apparatus which do not restrict maneuverability. So important point is which restricts maneuverability and which do not restrict maneuverability. Then we have word seaplane. So it includes any aircraft designed to maneuver on water. Then we have vessel not under command, means a vessel which through some exceptional circumstances is unable to maneuver as required by these rules and therefore unable to keep out of the another vessel. So here important point is through some exceptional circumstances is unable to maneuver. Then we have restricted in her ability to maneuver, ram vessels, means a vessel which from the nature of her work is severely restricted in her ability to maneuver as required by these rules and therefore unable to keep out of the way of another vessel. The term vessel restricted in her ability to maneuver shall include but not limited to a vessel engaged in laying, servicing or picking up navigational mark, submarine cable or pipeline. Then we have a vessel engaged in dredging, surveying or underwater operation. A vessel engaged in replenishment or transferring persons, provisions or cargo while underway. Vessel engaged in launching or recovery of aircraft. Vessel engaged in mine clearance operations. Vessel engaged in towing operation such as severely restricts the towing vessel and her tow in their ability to deviate from the course. So these all comes under ram. Then we have CBD. CBD means a power driven vessel, not vessel, a power driven vessel because of her draught in relation to available depth and width. So here both depth and width of navigable water is severely restricted in her ability to deviate from the course she is following. So keywords are power driven vessel because of her draught in relation to available depth and width, restricted ability to deviate. Then we have underway. Underway means that a vessel is not a tanker or made fast to shore or aground. The words length and breadth means length overall and the greatest breadth. Vessels shall be deemed to be in sight of one another when one can be observed visually from the other. Restricted visibility means any condition in which visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorms, sandstorms or any similar cause. The last but not the least is wing in ground. So wing in ground means a multimodal craft which in its main operational mode flies in close proximity to the surface by utilizing surface effect action. So this much is important from rule 3 and hope you have liked it. Thank you.